folks, so we're doing a little bit of aerating today. We've got the turf sand spreader on the back, and we're just doing a little aerating on the greens. So we're going to start the spreader. We're using a wide spin, Turfco wide spin 1530, and you'll see the spreading radius here. I've got it set to a heavy top dressing setting here. We're just going to get it started. And then I like to run my machine at about 1730-ish RPMs. There we go, 1770, that's okay too. We got it low and four-wheel drive. We got our controller here, and we're just gonna go forward. And then once we get to the back end, we will start the sander. So we're just going around making sure spreading enough sand. Although it seems we've got an issue. So we're going to take a look. I see the issue. There's a rock in there, so we're going to turn that off. Got a rock in here. There we go, and that little rock is causing the whole thing. I'm gonna toss that rock in the woods and get her started again. So we're actually going to turn around and do another pass here. So I like to do two coverings here, and I'll show you what the green looks like when I'm done. So you can see I've got some rocks in here right now, which isn't ideal. I got some shitty sand. Usually I get some screen masonry sand here, but today this is what I normally get, but it looks like we've got rocks in there, so that kind of sucks. Of course, now going down a big hill, and we're going to flip her back around here, and then we're going to refill in that other area. So this is the rest of the day today. I'll kind of show you the regular process. I usually do aeration myself, except I have somebody here today doing 10-inch deep solid tine aeration. So I usually, like I said, I usually do this myself, although this year I am not doing it myself. You can see I just have some dirty sand, which isn't ideal. Not too happy about it. So we toss those, and there's 4 rocks there. So I usually do 2 layerings of this, and then I'm going to roll it in, then sand it, and then roll it again. So we're just going to continue here going forward. Figure out our switch. And then we're going to turn the sander on. Simple as that. So I'll show a little preview next year of what I do later in the day once the sand dries, and go from there. So far so good. Alright, so now we're doing our first roll of the greens, which is actually going good. You can see the unrolled and rolled portion. That is going around brushing in the greens, and we did 10-inch deep tine aeration. Really crazy to see here what this is. This is 10-inch tine. So I'm pretty excited, pretty pumped. You know, that's the rolled portion. It looks pretty damn good, and I'll revisit once we come back after it was brushed in.